As we finish our exploration of the body, we exit the blood vessel through a slit and begin to dig our way through the last system, the integumentary system, or the skin. We start in the lowest layer, called the subcutaneous fat layer. This is simply home to fat cells, the number of which varies from person to person. This layer insulates and absorbs shock. Next up is the dermis. This is divided into two layers. The first is called the reticular dermis and has a dense matrix with many supportive fibers. It anchors sweat glands and hair follicles. The second layer is the papillary dermis. This has a loose matrix with less fibers and more cells. It contains nerve endings and capillaries to feed the epidermis above it. The epidermis does not have a blood supply. The first of 5 layers is called the stratum basale. This produces keratinocytes through rapid cell division, the cells that contain the protein keratin to give your skin its toughness. It also has melanocytes, which make a pigment called melanin to protect your skin from harmful rays. It is what decides your skin color. The second layer is the stratum spinosum. This section is where your keratinocytes begin to connect with each other in a weaving network. The next layer is the stratum granulosum. In this layer, granules of a substance that controls keratin is being produced by keratinocytes. Lipids are also being released by the keratinocytes to give the skin its water-repelling abilities. The fourth layer is the stratum lucidum. This layer is not always present, usually only appearing on skin that is well worn, such as the soles of the hands and feet. The keratinocytes here have lost their nuclei and organelles and have become slightly transparent. The last layer is the stratum corneum. This is composed of dead keratinocytes that continually and randomly fall off, to be replaced by more keratin-containing cells pushed up from lower levels. As we conclude our adventures, the integumentary system can give us appreciation for the sacrifice hundreds of cells make every second to die so that we may live in greater security.